one here. Or you're come across. Hey, Peter, háblale, Peter. Háblale, Peter. We got a... Tú eres defensa, Peter, háblale. And that was halfway through the second half, and then they rallied 4 goals, and then we couldn't catch them after that. Yeah, and we had some.
Yep, right here, Cruz.
He's going into Michigan. He goes to Michigan. So next year. So next summer he'll go through summer camp and try out. Two of my guys went this year because they were higher school age and they both made the team. And then one of my guys went to so then next year all the rest will be.
What was that?
No whistle, man.
He's calling his own penalty. He's like, I'm about to do your handball.
No,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Working with the Saints or not?
No, he's on our men's team, but I didn't pick him up. I mean, they came and played with us in like our little winter league.
Got him.
So they didn't
See what happened with no defense?
What?
You see what happened with no defense in this?
Yeah.
so I don't know where. I think they played in the league.
You can pay the extra money to pay your kids up.
So I don't think he's coaching at all because unless his daughter went, because his daughter,
And running in.
their extra team that his daughter broke up. They didn't continue. So I don't know if he's one more.
Good touches, guys. Yeah, we're in the keep coming. Hey, yeah. Go.
We're in. Push up. Dave Rice runs the league, and something like that.
Yeah, we got get out. Hey, Matt,
Yeah.
we won the league.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And they're second. They won the division.
Are in there.
It splits into two divisions.
Oh, okay.
So we won the middle. Cars in the middle.
Up the line. Hey.
Send it.
Terry got a complaint from the neighbor about noise. You need to tell the guys to quiet down.
Roger.
Nice. That was good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
More of the break. Yeah, it's a weird thing. It's not bad. It's just something. No. But it's no big deal.
Go. Gabe. I'm the right team for it, but.
What's wrong with those guys?
Oh yeah, I saw that one. I'm like,
Easy.
I was like, you guys made all those tough goals, man, and then the one like simple
Problem
thing.
is, it's like dead on my foot, so it's like hold it there, stand them up.
Next week we have a bye though.
There we go.
Next week we
Fire
don't.
run,
Next week
fire
we
run.
don't.
Oh, good play.
And then after that. Okay, cool. Yeah. No, that would be good.
Oh. It's your man. Go. What's your runner here? 0-0. What's the trick? Good cover, Eric.
They're all right in front of the goal. So we can't open them up to get that shot in. We're gonna have to try to hit something from the outside.
Actually, we can hold back and then open up.
See, that's
Exactly. Rob, just like that, man.
Yeah,
Open them up.
that's right.
Open them up. That's good. That's smart. You got fire. Play back to Pete. Win that ball, guys. One of you stay back behind Pete. Open up for him. One more open. That's good. All right, full map, guys. Watch it run on the left here. Gabe, the ball's yours. Stay on the man, Gabe. Stay on your man.
Here's the other one. Colin.
I'll put this one right here. Thank you.
Okay, Songa ball. Push ball. Good cover, Eric. Good cover. Hey, there's
Cruz.
2 of you on in there.
Cruz, I guess one of those people called. One of those people called and complained
All right,
about
guys,
the
I'm ready.
noise.
Stop before you get too tired.
Oh, nice.
Because that last game was kind
God dang.
of sick, dude.
Hey. It's kind of annoying though. Like it's not like it's 8 o'clock at night, and it's really not that loud. I just want to meet the Grinch that is willing to like not.
There we go. Sorry, I'm back. Yep.
Good idea. Yep. Reached outside.
A little bit out. Just a little bit outside.
I think that's 3.
Yeah. Gray. Oh, thanks, man.
Hey, you want to right
You just
where
took
it
that
was?
shot,
Thank
man. Finally.
It's ugly. We got to make it work like that.
Good job, Taylor.
Ugly, you just named our game plan, man. The whole game's like, we're ugly. We're having fun, though. Hey, wide, left. Boards, up the boards. Hey, get back. Yeah. There you go. That's fair.
You might need to paint the lines again.
Yeah, I told the maintenance guy.
We can't even see it.
No, it's the whole.
Back. All out where you're at, guys. We couldn't tell. Hey. There we go. Why not? First touch.
Oh, that's
Ball on the field. We got 3. Yes. Hey, let's get stuff here. The ball on the front.
I don't even know where that came from.
It was stuck in the net the entire time.
And it just fell.
I think from the kids playing down there.
Hey guys, keep those subs going so we can stay fresh. It's okay, it's okay. One more drop, one more drop. We got the outside. Yep. One more drop, guys. We need one more to drop.
Make sure you guys know who's D, guys. Who's in the back?
Paul. Good. Back left. You got cover 3 here. It's middle. Ball. Through. Come on.
Toca.
Hey. Off the wall. Oh. Drop, Paul, drop. Drop, Paul.
D, who's the D? There's 3. 3 on 1. 3 on 1.
Probably one like this.
Don't forget the defense, guys.
Come on, guys. Paul. Taylor. Turn. Watch right side, guys. Go pressure, Paul. Pressure. Get back, guys. Get back. Taylor. Off the wall.
No.
Got any subs? Paul. Paul. Yeah, that's clean. Good, Paul. Good. Oh, shoot. Keep going.
Yes.
You got me, Omar.
Pass it out.
Up, quick.
D, come on.
Cross. Watch it. Drop.
Oh, nice touch.
Good sub.
20%.
Well done, boys.
Hey, don't forget the defense, guys.
Go ahead, other side.
Drop.
Give it. Pásala.
There we go.
Hit it, Cruz. Hit it. Nice. There you go. Nice, Cruz.
You're too quick. I don't know if I got it. Ooh, the thing rocketed in. What do you want me to do?
Back.
Give it. There you go.
Switch it.
Nice. Get it. Come on. Come on, guys.
Center. Hold. Ball's there. Hit it, Paul.
Yeah, that's good enough. Yes.
Go. Push up.
We're playing really bad.
Yeah, we're just not finishing well. We're playing fine. Jonah! Oh!
Beat him. Come on, Gabe. Watch middle. Follow middle.
You got Cruz. Good. You got him back. Swing it.
Nice, Rob.
You got.
There we go.
Oh, that was super.
It's okay.
Okay, reset. Swing it to Paul. Swing it to Paul. Swing it to Paul.
No, don't force it. Don't force it. Don't force
Just dribble it down. Immensely.
Hey, Gabe.
Oh.
Right foot.
Yeah, Gabe, good D, buddy, good D.
Hey, just stay in defense, Omar. Stay in defense.
Nice cue.
D for Omar.
That's the one. Keep that coming. I just came up.
Need one or? You need a sub?
Yeah.
Faster, faster. One touch.
Good cover, Pete. Guys, watch your back. Left here. Far left, guys. Far left. One of you.
I knew.
Just stay there, guys. Stay at the halfway. Just wait for them. Nice, Gabe. You got middle. You got middle. Easy.
Open. Omar. Good ball.
Cruz, you got me?
Stay on your man, guys. Stay on your man. Stay on your man. There we go.
Why always doing this?
Someone's middle, guys. Call for it. Call! There we go. Gabe, pull up to the middle. Other middle. There we go. Yeah, that's good. Just hang there. Stay there. Wait for the kick. Pete, you stay middle. Eric, you got left. Pete's middle, Eric's left.
The good thing is, it's recorded. All your goals are you.
There we go, Gabe.
It's fine. Open up.
Pete.
Oh.
It's out.
Okay. Good play.
That's nice.
You ready?
Yeah?
Right. Move. There you go.
Nice roof.
No toe shot that time.
That was smooth.
Too bad the guy's not recording.
Okay. Just hold half. Yes, advantage. Carry.
Watch out.
One at a time. All day. Come on, you come back. Come.
Aye.
Yep. All the way back. Guys,
Go get it. Let him drop. Nice job, Rob. Oh.
I don't know if he's had to make the keeper hasn't had to make a stop. I think even.
Man on.
Nice try. down. Pressure, pressure. Good, Pierre. Great job, Pierre.
Miss, please.
Sup, Omar?
That was a good save, man. You just totally read it.
Line for you. Just move it. Turn and go. Turn and go.
You ready? Right. Good.
Wall! It's a wall! Nope, not now. Mark! No. Yes. Yes.
No, we have to play it
No,
fast.
come on, yes.
Go tight, yeah.
Miss, please.
Hey, guys. Whatever I say. We got to sub more, man. Those guys have been in the whole game. We got 30 seconds left. I know, but get some push. Let go. Go in. You guys get going. One more. Push up. Oh, there you go. All that's on video. All of it.
Oh.
There you go, push up.
10 seconds.
He's open.
10 seconds. Go back.
Yeah, careful, guys.
Nice. Let us know where you're at, guys.
Let's go.
I'll take a sub. When I'm standing here.
Okay.
It's for me, not for you.
Good, Paul? You good? No foul. There's no foul.
Flaky, right?
Holy crap, I hope somebody's filming that. Send that to his mom.
Decide who's in the back, guys.
I know you had to radio me because you had to radio me, but I was just like, it's 8 o'clock. Are you kidding me?
Dude.
I didn't have to say anything because they are left, like you said.
Yeah.
But it's like, I just want to meet the Grinch that is like, you know, willing to complain before 10 o'clock because people are out here instead of doing drugs or, you know, they're playing soccer, bettering themselves, you know, getting exercise. This, whatever Grinch is up there complaining, it blows my mind.
Yeah.
You almost done?
Yeah, I'm trying for people to leave.
Where'd you get that lollipop from?
They have a basket full of lollipops.
Oh, you
I
didn't
was
get me
standing
Give it.
upstairs and-
Give it.
Oh, yeah, dude, yeah, this will get, it's gross.
I try not to touch it, and I notice I'm on it sometimes. I'm like, play roll.
I'm upstairs at front desk, and like Terry calls, and before Michael answers, I'm like, it's Terry.
Why?
Because like, whatever her last name is, Paulini,
I don't know how to pronounce it. but-
Scott or whatever. And like, she's like, hey, can you transfer me down to Danielle?
Get it back, come on.
And Michael's like, actually, she's right next to me.
Good, Rob.
But yeah, she's like, hey, can you talk to Colin or the people outside.
You got it.
Call about noise complaint. I really don't want to deal with it right now.
Yes.
It's just
Hit it.
annoying.
You got no one else. Hit it.
Nothing against either you or anyone.
Whatever. I just do my job. Do what you
No, I know. It's just I asked Tyler for the homeowners association number, so I called him. And he told that one person to go fuck themselves. Like no joke. Like what is that person?
You guys gotta take shots.
The city should be like it's not. They don't go past that clock. That's really what
off the walls,
happened.
guys. Come on.
You chose to live by a YMCA. Like
Hit it. There you go. Almost got a rebound.
it's like 9:55.
Yeah, 9:55.
8:55.
Alright, 1 minute.
And we're behind because people got injured. I had to stop the clock and stuff. So like,
You're really behind.
I know. I just got behind because a couple people got injured. I had
Are
to
you
stop the
putting
clock.
22 now, or is that new?
Yes,
but
Cruz.
But I had no problem. I finish usually like 3 minutes, 4 minutes past, which is not
That's
bad.
where you guys finished pretty late.
Huh?
Yes, good, Alvaro.
Good clear.
No nonsense there, guys. Come on.
Last night, well, people were talking after the game, like Peter and I, and stuff. So
Right in front of the goal.
I gotta go.
all right, I'll see you in a bit.
I'll come out this way because my car's right there.
All right.
Shoot it. Yes. That's fine. There was nothing else available. Shoot it. Sub if you need them. You guys are overthinking it, guys. Come on. Sub if you need them. They're coming out. The guy's like right here, and the guy's in the corner. Teammates in the corners. That person's got no angle. Shoot it.
Boot it.
Back door.
C5.
Back door.
CQ.
Yes. So you got right if you need it.
Hard.
Yes. Yes.
That would have hurt.
Versus from your own guy.
Yeah. Well, he was just trying to. It's nothing.
Not just your face, your pride.
Yes. That's okay.
Yeah, take it. You got it.
Good, Rob. Nice.
Yep.
Cruz, that's you. Slow it down. Get it back.
Hang on.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, that's fine.
Carry, you're free.
Easy. That's good enough.
I know. Once is an accident, twice isn't.
Let's go.
Carry, take it. Why not?
Oh, no good and goes there.
Get in the lane.
And sub if you need them, guys. Oh, get to it, Cruz.
Hey, push it.
Make that pass, Fire. Gabe's running power position.
I got this side.
Go. I got ball. You watch it, Dad. You got one. Eric, when you're ready. You good?
Ahí está Álvaro.
Not yet.
Yes.
Hit it. Oh.
Well done, Keith.
That's sub.
Let's get 2 more subs.
I've been in there a long time.
Yours. Two back. Okay, man, it's up, dude.
Like 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, just control. Just have fun and control, guys. That's good. That's good. Good. Go, Pierre. Yeah, just check in the space. Make the move, check in the space. That's fine.
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
That's good.
Yeah, man.
Ready, guys. Ready.
Make sure these guys support him.
Let's go.
Yeah. No problem. Back to him. Here you go, Pierre. Good again. Oh, left his legs open.
Get back, guys. Get back. Right. Let's go.
Thank you, please. Good. Just touch it. Just touch it. Simple. It's simple.
Stand him up, just stand up. Nice, Pete. Nice, just stay there. Slow down, slow down.
Go wide. Carry it wide.
Yeah. All right, guys, form up. Find your player. That's fine, guys. Pete, man on.
Get to it.
Watch your shot, watch your shot.
Wide.
Switch your Pete, switch your Pete. Switch back to Eric.
Get back, guys. Get back. Hey.
We need to fix our defense.
Just have a sign and have a guy sign and stay there, just holding it. Hey, we'll be okay. It's good.
No,
It's good like practice.
yeah, that's what I mean. You're trying to set up defense position and keep it strong and then play out of the backfield.
Let's go. Don't let up, yellow.
Man on.
Stay open.
There we go.
Push up.
Anthony in the middle.
Take
Anthony in the middle.
Take the space.
Man on.
Oh, that's good, Omar. That's good.
There you go.
Step up. There you go.
There we go. Nope. Drop. There we go. Hold on. Just stay on your man, Eric. He's switching. Gabe, this is your man.
That's good.
Gabe, your ball. It's a back shot here, guys. Watch out. Watch your back player.
Back to him.
There we go. Good player.
Hey.
Man on. Pete's on the left.
No. Smart. Good. Just touch. Easy touch. Step. Yes.
Hit it.
Not to him. It's a big green thing behind you. Backside.
Oh shit!
Drop. Use the ball. And one more. Hey, here you go. Middle. Ball.
Eric, just double, Eric.
Use Pierre. Eyes up. Nice, Pierre. Next time. Good. Keep it up. Come on. Sorry, Pete. Left line. Oh, good rebound. Here. There, just find feet. There, easy feet. There you go. Good. Pierre, you should be over here, but you should be right here.
Got the line. No keep. Leave it.
Oh, wow, please.
Oh, nice hit.
Man coming. Man on. Fire.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, again.
Yeah.
Come on. I wasn't expecting that.
That's one.
No, that was. No, yeah, but that was. I should have went the other way and they tipped it back.
Give it.
I'll stay. Come on. Yeah.
There you go, fire. He's opening. Again.
Hey, Michael, you're good to go.
Watch left.
Yeah, good.
Step up.
Awesome, thank you very much.
Safe travels.
Peace, man. Have a good night.
Have a good night.
You got
You come in.
He just wants to make it off,
Oh, nice. Good idea, guys.
Yeah, just touch it.
Nice effort, boys.
Plenty of time. Good time. Let's get one here. Come on, let's get one here. Oh. Yeah. Cross side. Middle. Cruz, hold it. Now make the run. Come on.
Keep moving, Omar.
Yes, good. Move it.
There it is.
Watch the shooter on top, guys.
Okay.
Anyone who's ready. Yeah.
Stay high, pressure. Yeah.
Wide.
Defend. Pull your guy. Switch, Pete. Yeah.
Good shot. Maybe there, Jeff.
Hit it. Pull. Oh, no more. Now. Yes. Almost. Get it back.
Corner.
Nice.
Got me sleeping.
When I have to hold it up for a while, yeah.
Keep moving, guys. Move.
Ball at you. Stay on him.
Hey, man.
No fouls.
Stay. Just slow it down.
Move for them, guys. If you move, they aren't guarding you.
Come here. Quick, man. Go back.
Yep.
Yes, ball.
Yeah, just have it. Nice. Like you. Good call. Nice. All you gotta do, put it in there, guys, and hope something good happens.
Take a couple of those. All right, guys. Over a minute.
That's in. Yes.
Give you a hug. Cruz, give you a hug.
I was asleep the first
time.
time.
You got fire.
Got Pete.
Cross.
Good shot. Dan coming.
Take ball. Nice.
Checking post. You have me check.
Step up on that.
Somebody in the middle, guys. Somebody make that cut. Top. Try.
Get it back, get it back.
You go, Rob.
Nice, Rob.
Keep going. Win.
Good, Rob.
All you. Wait, just take it.
Give it to him.
Nice, Rob, almost. That's all right. Ball back to you.
Go two. Keep her. Turn, shoot. Right here.
Oh!
Agora.
Go. Step up. Hurry up, back.
Lewis, no fouls.
Easy on the board, John. Come on.
You got advantage.
Hit it.
Ball.
Hit it.
All you, ball.
Come on. Hey. Come on.
Keep back. Fire. Good hustle, Fire. Good hustle. Here we go. You got me, Wall. Yeah. We're good. Keep pushing.
Well, nice shoot. Good job, Rob.
This is all. Oh.
Nice.
Early.
Watch.
Get out of there, Green.
Too much.
Play there.
Why? People get injured and I have to stop. They complain. Stop the clock.
I live right up there and the lights, they can't sleep at night. I'm going to complain to the mission. Isn't that what they complain about?
Yeah, they complain about noise.
No, yeah, I can't sleep this night. How do you should say that? Feel like you're recording.
Hey, what's up, dude?
You just do vape name?
Oh, I'm gonna steal a wrap.
Good. Just feet. Taylor.
Game's too
Behind you.
What time is it? It's 9?
11.
It's 10 minutes late. What? How is that?
You guys running too late.
I don't know. When Christian was in charge.
He got till 10 o'clock. So
Guys, 30 seconds.
he got
make
till
a
10
play,
o'clock
make a
and
play.
he had 8 minutes.
Make
No,
a
he had
play, switch
12
your
minutes
game.
to spare each hour.
Switch
You
your
know
game.
that?
Switch your game.
He had
One more,
24-minute halves and he had an hour. So it's 48 minutes of game time. Plus, so he had 12 minutes of leeway to start
go,
late,
go.
to have halftime, to stop the clock when needed. Get a lot easier.
When Pan used to work for Barca, he used to like finish before me somehow, and then he would just run. Like he would literally just
Because Peyton's an asshole. Although I'm gonna start starting the clock, but I can't account for people getting